today it is time for spiced eggnog donuts. This is Theresa and welcome back to our show. We are so excited because if you're part of our show, you probably remember our apple spice cider donuts that launched last month. This is such a fantastic recipe. It's building on the same base, so you will notice all of our dry ingredients, including brown sugar, white granulated sugar, and whole eggs being added to a bowl right now. And the recipe is going to be linked on our website at floureggsyeast.com. And the special thing about this recipe is that instead of using milk, we are going to be using eggnog. Eggnog, you either love it or you hate it, but you know what I love? I love it in a recipe. It is deep, thick, creamy, and it adds such a soft sweetness to your batters. So next time you want to use up the eggnog and nobody else wants to drink it out of the carton, put it in a recipe of your choice, like these eggnog spice donuts or one of yours. Comment below with your option and really just go to town. You can see that I'm mixing in my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients now. I'm being very, very careful not to over mix the batter because when you do, it creates a denser donut and we don't want that. We want it nice and fluffy. So you will notice that I am using a pastry bag and I'm going to be piping the eggnog donut into a buttered donut pan. If you don't have one of these, please be sure to check out our link below. We are an Amazon affiliate, and if people don't buy, then they kick us out of the program. I mean, it would be a great Christmas present to us if you buy one of these for your own Christmas. Anyway, so once you have your eggnog batter into your donut tray, you're going to want to bake it in the oven at 350 degrees. You don't need that much time. I would say put a timer on for about 10 minutes and check and see if a toothpick goes in and comes out dry. Once it's out of the oven, you want to get that eggnog glaze ready to go. So this is a double pow of eggnog. You'll see I'm using powdered sugar, some condensed milk, a little light corn syrup, and the star of the show, the eggnog. You want to whisk it pretty well so that you get any of the clumps of the sugar out of the way. And then once the donuts are cool enough to touch, you're going to want to dip those donuts right into this glaze. And oh my goodness, the flavor and just the softness. If you've never tried an eggnog glazed donut, you're in for a treat. This is the perfect way to start any holiday this month. You know, just imagine this on Christmas morning, and you could even sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg on top of those donuts. We truly appreciate you coming and visiting with us today. If you need anything at all, you are always welcome to come and comment below. Let us know, what are you baking this holiday season? Do you need any help with a recipe? We'd love to answer any questions that you have. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas, and we will see you next week.